Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to the channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this cute little rabbit from a square. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter, needle, stitch marker and some stuffings. This rabbit looks so cute and beautiful and it is a beginner friendly product. This rabbit can be done using a square. First we will make a square using single crochet. Then we will form like this beautiful rabbit. So now let's see how to do this cute and beautiful rabbit. To do this bunny, first we are going to make a square. For that we are going to start with a slip knot. Do 20 chain, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We are going to do 20 chain. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, you are going to work in the second chain from the hook. The loop which has the hook is the first chain. You'll skip that chain. The second chain, you are going to do a single crochet, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have two loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Next stitch, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have two loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. For next row, chain 1, turn your work. This will be the turning chain. You're not going to work in that chain. The next stitch, you're going to make a single crochet. So likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch. So now let's measure the length of this work. So if you see, you are having 10 centimeters. So you have to work the height of this also 10 centimeters because we want to make a square. We have to follow the same pattern of doing single crochet in each stitch. So the height will be 10 centimeter as well as the length also will be 10 centimeter to form like a square. So likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch. By following the same pattern of doing single crochet in each stitch, you are going to do them for 10 centimeters. So let's see how it looks after we complete them. After doing a square, it looks like this. Next, do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. Next, we'll fold them into two like this and mark the center part. Same way, fold them like this. Mark the center part on both the sides. So next, we are going to weave them like this in a triangle. So remove this. You are going to weave them like a zigzag way. So we leave little bit of yarn here as well. Next, you will do them like this. Then like this. Next, you will pull these two threads together like this. So this is the head part and this is the ears. Keep some stuffings. Take one end and you're going to weave the ear side. Next, you can weave the body part. Take the other end and you're going to weave the body part. Place some stuffings inside. We'll close them using a zigzag way. After joining them and adding eyes and nose, the rabbit looks like this. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.